Welcome to Dunhinda Falls, one of Sri Lanka's most iconic waterfalls near Badulla. Today, I'll take you step by step along this scenic trail to the falls. After passing the entrance, you'll come to the ticketing point, where you need to buy your entry ticket before starting the walk to the falls. In this area, you'll also find small shops selling handicrafts, kitchen items, and rare traditional medicines like sandalwood pieces you can take home as souvenirs. Be cautious, this path gets quite slippery after rain, so watch your step as you go. In these small shops, you'll find local snacks and drinks like fresh orange juice, belly mal tea, and fruits to enjoy as refreshments. You'll find water crossing the path along the way, so take extra care when traveling during the rainy season. The foot trail is surrounded by beautiful scenery, and the shelter of the trees keeps you cool, so you hardly feel any tiredness. You'll encounter many monkeys on the way. While some are friendly, others can be aggressive, so it's best not to feed them to avoid any trouble. You'll spot our final destination appearing through the trees ahead. We've now reached the Dunhinda Falls viewpoint, the safest place to watch the falls. As the water cascades over the rocks, the mist rises, creating an enchanting view. Standing here, you can truly feel the power of nature. The beauty of Dunhinda Falls is something you'll never forget. Now, as we explore the enchanting Dunhinda waterfall from many angles, notice how each viewpoint offers a unique glimpse into its raw, untamed beauty. From the misty cascades to the lush green surroundings, every moment here feels like a scene from a living painting. Dunhinda Falls, one of Sri Lanka's most famous waterfalls, plunges 64 meters in a powerful white stream surrounded by lush forest. Its name means spraying mist, which you'll feel drifting through the air as the water crashes below. This footpath is used to climb down toward Dunhinda Falls, but it can be very slippery because of the mist and rain. Please be careful if you decide to go down. Local legends tell of a giant vine that once blocked this flow until a brave villager set the waterfall free. Today, Dunhinda remains a breathtaking natural wonder, offering stunning views from every angle. You can easily see and feel the cool mist all around you, which is why this beautiful waterfall was named Dunhinda, meaning spraying mist. If you plan to visit, come between June and August for the most impressive flow. Wear sturdy shoes, bring drinking water, and try to arrive early to avoid crowds. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Unseen Sri Lanka Vibes for more journeys through Sri Lanka's natural wonders.